Are you looking for a one-stop solution for providing the best waterproofing solution in Kolkata? Then you're in the right place. In today's day-to-day busy life, it gets really difficult to maintain your dream house. Not everyone has the technical skill set or the know-how for proper property maintenance. This is where we come in. At Healthy Homes, we provide you the perfect solution for a smooth, convenient, and worry-free maintenance of your home. Dial our toll-free number 1800-419-4647 to get a free survey and estimation for your property today. Our team of experienced and skilled engineers will make sure that your home looks brand new in no time. We provide waterproofing solution, dam treatment, joint sealants, painting, concrete repair, plumbing, surface treatment, grouts and anchors for clients like these. With the best-in-class raw materials for our services, our expert engineers will make sure that we always stick to the schedule and get your home looking brand new on time. Dial 1800-419-4647 now and get your house a makeover today.